Hello everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Treerow Rescue. On this one is it's a little different. So this video actually got uploaded over a year ago and it was my very first upload. Way too long, way too drawn out. So here's what we're doing. We're revisiting it, but I'm going to cut it down. I'm going to make it shorter, and I think, and you let me know in the comments, I think I'm going to put together a whole video series on this from start to finish. Where it is, where it came from, and where it is today. So sit back, relax, crack a thinking brew, and just sit back and enjoy the show. I appreciate you for hanging out. Let's get to it. Welcome back to another episode of Treerow Rescue. Bought a thing. 87 Suburban. Like one of the cleanest ones that I found on Marketplace. For the right price. Fine. Electric locks. Ready? You ready for this? Watch this. Bring it. Get in here. Look. Look. You ready? Wrong way. There we go. Look at that. Okay. That's the only one that works, but hey, it's there. Hello? No. Let's check this one. Wrong. Yep. It's a little tired. See, it's perfect. There you go. Willpower. Let's just get over there. Now for the back seat. Check this out. I don't think this has ever been sat in. Look at that. Get in there. Look at the floor. Look at the seats. Like, you gonna tell me you have a dead Suburban that looks this clean? Look at the back seat. Just look. Look, it's never been used. All right. I got the door key. You'll be blown away at this. I was blown away at this. It sealed the deal. Sealed the deal. I said, you know what? Give me the title. Here's your money. Ready? Give me the money. Yeah, title. It's mine. Now, that's as far down as it goes, but it goes. It's not the diesel. It's gas. It tells me this should be a 454. Block of the big. It's been on fire. That's okay. I'm gonna do the brake master cylinder first. Mazel, I'm right here. It's in my face. It's in my eyeballs. It's right here. So, I'll put you right here. That's what I'm working on. And sadly enough, it looks like somebody's already been in here before. So, it shouldn't be anything locked up. So let's get after it. And I'll show you how to bench bleed a brake master cylinder inside the car. You don't have to, you can have it mounted and bleed it with it mounted and not have to worry about putting it on a bench, bringing it over here. Putting it on the bench, bleeding it on the bench, and then bringing it over here. Because hey, what if you ain't got a vise? You know, what if you ain't got a vise? Yep, do it right here. It's simple. I'll show you. Oh, here's a little trick. You got a ratcheting wrench, right? And you're always like, which way is it going? There we go. See the end? See how it's kind of pointing that way? And you flip it this way, it's kind of pointing that way. That's an indication of which direction it goes. Flip it over this way. See that? Bit of information, kind of save you a little bit of time. Alright, coming off like it's supposed to. Never get this lucky. And it's hot. I need to take this nut that way. There we go. There it is. Yep. Come on. Come on over there, you. You got stuff and things to go. Like, you know, in the garbage. Why is there a piece of paper stuck behind this? Okay, how'd we do? What do we got? It needed brake fluid anyway. Why is this here? Like, this was behind the master cylinder. Like, why? I don't know. Let me go find the right master cylinder, because I got a couple of them. Like I said, I didn't know the brake code. I just got the rig yesterday evening. It was family night, so I didn't work on it at all. Didn't look at the codes on it, paint code, trans code, none of that. Ain't got a clue, don't I? I'm assuming it could be a turbo. It could be a 400. I don't know what the trans is yet, but we'll get there. Just hang on. Here, just dump out. Look, it doesn't even seal. The lid's closed. It's perfect. I want to kind of switch gears for now, because I know that this tire, if you touch the brake, stops. That tells me the soft line is bad. It's allowing fluid to go through, but not come back. So, what a fella is gonna do is change gears, change his soft line, maybe the caliper, go ahead and do the rotor and everything, get everything brand new, you know, O'Reilly's. And then go do the other side, because I'm there. Let's see. Oh, we did a good job. As Ace Ventura would say, like a glove. Now, fill your cap. Excuse me. Wow. Get a couple of scoops in there. Flip it over. Get in there. Fill your cap. That way, you're greased. Now I got a mess. I don't like making a mess. I like to try to stay as clean as possible, but hey, it's brakes. There's no keeping it clean. All right, dead blow. Get in it. Any excess that comes out is fine. You wipe it off. I'm gonna bench bleed this master cylinder inside the vehicle. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing that. So I got my wife inside. She's gonna pump the brakes, and I'm just gonna let the air push out. Does it make a mess? Yes, but it's fine. Have something under the car. All right, go ahead, pump it up, baby. There we go. One more time. There we go. Do it again. See, there's bubbles coming up. What you want here? Let me get. Come here. Look at this. All right. Do it again. Air's coming through, and then brake fluid. Air's coming through. Go ahead. All that was just air. There we go. Keep going. Oh, getting shot. And this is all it takes. Fold it. Now, just put your brake lines on. And now, well, get in there. All right, so we're going on the test drive. It is the next day. Going on the test drive, see how our brakes do. Oh, that's money. Well, there went 4 gallons of gas. We're just traveling the back roads because, you know, if it's not safe, I don't want anybody else to get hurt. Let's see. I'm gonna let go of the steering wheel and see if she moves. Oh, look at that. Man. Yeah, I don't believe it. Alrighty, so that's going to do it for the very first episode of Treerow Rescue. For the 3 of you that stayed with me throughout the whole video, thank you. Stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more on the channel. Like, coming up, we got a 66 Impala, a 66 T-Bird, a 75 Nova, 71 Le Mans. I mean, I got a lot of stuff going on. I'm going to try to get it out to you as soon as possible, and it will get better over time. I'm just learning the ropes. So again, thank you, and we'll see you at the next one.